purpose of the follow the flow is not for you to get it perfectly. If you could do it already, then the follow the flow wouldn't really be very meaningful for you. It would just be another example of use it or lose it. So it's supposed to challenge you and give you something to grow into. It's not supposed to be easy per se, but it's supposed to feel possible. In general, when you're watching the follow the flows, what I recommend that you do is you just keep going through the video. Now, at a certain point, you may have just gotten so lost that you can't catch up, in which case that video is probably too hard. But there will be points where I stop at moves like weaves or butterflies where you should be able to catch up. So you could just sit there in a weave and like wait till the next weave comes along and then try and follow after that, as opposed to trying to, wait, I missed that and I missed that. Ignore what you missed and pick up where you can. And it could be you pick up at the weave, could be that you pick up at the chasing the sun, could be that you pick up the butterfly. I mean, it depends on which flow, because some of them are opposite direction only. So if you stand there waiting for a weave, you'll never get one, right? So you have to use your judgment in that regard. But I would say in the beginning, when you're trying to get flows better, the objective is catch up as quick as you can and just keep going. And then the next time you do the flow, see if you can get further before you make the mistake that has you stopped, as opposed to stopping the video and trying to break it down. If the situation is that you just can't ever get the move, then you may not know the move well enough. In which case, then what we can focus on is you could say, hey, I don't know the move at this time code in the video, and we can focus on that. But if it's just a matter of you couldn't get it at the speed at which I was doing it, what'll happen is as you do the video more and more times, you'll remember the order better. And when you remember the order, some part of your subconscious mind will be preparing for the move that's coming, and you'll be increasingly more likely to do it because you will have practiced it more first. And second, you'll be prepared better for it. Now, I'm not saying don't also practice the move. It could just be that you're not comfortable enough to pop into the move quickly. So practicing the move individually can also be helpful. It was like a minute ago when you just popped into, when I had you do this drill here for 20 times and then you popped into this with no problem. It's the same thing. So if you want to challenge yourself and make sure you're integrating the move that was challenging for you, you can start the video at that time code with that move also. And that'll help you get it. But I would say, I would not use the videos as an example of, oh, I have to get every single one of those. I would use it as a way to give you a general sense of faking it till you make it. The videos are not about giving you choreography per se. They're about getting you to continue to flow without thinking, and getting you out of your thinking brain and getting you into your muscle memory so that you do it so many times, it just becomes natural. And because I'm calling it out, in theory, as you get more comfortable with my call outs, you'll get more accustomed to responding to them faster. And as you get increased skill with the individual moves and you get more comfortable with the call outs happening faster and you do each video more times, you'll get better and better at those flows. And then what'll happen is you won't need the video anymore and you'll be able to remember them and it'll become part of your repertoire.